Okay, I'm going to teach you how to start the activity, the integer drawing. Okay, it's really fun. My students always like it, but you're going to start with just a piece of paper, printer paper. Ideally, you would use the longer paper. I just don't have any at home. So ask if you have like if I was doing this in my classroom, we would be using the longer legal paper. But if not, use this. If you can't get a blank piece of paper, use a piece of notebook paper. Whatever. We're flexible here, okay? You're going to take your piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half this way, hamburger way, not hot dog. Hamburger. Fold it in half and make a crease. So it should look like this, okay? With your pencil, I'm going to use a pen just so you guys can see it, but with a ruler and that on that crease, you're just going to draw a line all the way. Well, you don't have to draw it all the way across. I'm going to draw it all the way across. And you're going to put a 0 and you're going to put sea level. So it looks like this. Whoop. Where's my camera? 0 and write sea level. It's S-E-A and then level, L-E-V-E-L. Okay, you're gonna 0. If you don't want to draw a line all the way across, just put a little line. That's fine. Okay, because you're gonna make waves there. So if you don't want to, so you can erase it if you want. Okay, but you need to write that down. From there, you're gonna use a ruler. You are going to find the inches side of the ruler, not the centimeters, the inches. And about every ½ inch, you're going to put a little mark. Now, if that stresses you out and you do not have a teacher next to you to help, that's okay. We just need 10 lines about the same distance apart, okay? So starting at sea level, I'm going to go up about every ½ inch and put a little line, okay? So I'm going to go up. So a ½ inch, you guys, if this is 0 and this is 1, a half is right in the middle. So it's about every ½ inch. And you'll just put a little line. So a ½ inch, 1 inch, 1½ inches, 2 inches, 2½ inches, 3, 3½, 4, 4½, 5, and then 5½ will be at the top. So it'll look like this. Oh, why can I never find the camera? Just like that. It does not have to be perfect, but you don't want all of your lines right here because you're going to be drawing things. So as you go up, you're going to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. You're making a number line. Okay, so you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you should have a little space at the top. If for some reason you don't have space at the top and your 10's all the way at the top, it's fine. We're not stressing about this part, okay? Then you're going to do the same thing every ½ inch going down. What do you think those numbers are going to say? Remember, if this is sea level, down is negative, up is you know what we should do? Because that makes it look kind of like negatives, doesn't it? We don't like that. Let's make those little plus signs. Because I put those little dashes there. So let's make those pluses, because that makes it look like those are negative numbers. I just noticed that. See? So +1, +2, +3, so we're going up. Then we're going to mark every ½ inch going down. It's kind of hard to maneuver it, to be honest. Okay, every ½ inch, we'll put a little mark. So like at 1, whoops, I made a mistake. That's okay. You guys, look, I made a little mistake right there. I accidentally marked that middle one shouldn't be there. It's okay. We all make mistakes, but that's why you have pencils, okay? So that one shouldn't be there. So now we're going to go back. If you're behind, that's fine. Just pause it. That's the great thing about videos. We're going to put -1, -2, -3, -4, all the way down. So you can use your little dashes if you want that you already made. Okay, so it should look like this. -1, -2, all the way down to 10. See how I messed up between the -8 and the -9? It's okay. I'm putting it the wrong way. It's okay. Well, we're all going to be fine, but that's why you use pencil. And then going up. So now you have a number line. So now go to the assignment and it gives you directions. It's going to say things like you're on a boat at sea level, so you'll draw that boat. There's an airplane flying at whatever, +8. I can't remember what it is. You'll do that. You'll draw sea creatures down here at certain places. Okay, at -3, at -4. If you are not a good artist, that is okay. Just do your best. Okay, just make it look good and color it and make it look nice. It's fine. I am not an artist either. Okay, if you are an artist, this is your time. It's really to make sure we're knowing where our numbers are, and then we can have some fun with it. Okay?